We're going to be pouring used car oil on our porcelain paver and on a natural stone to show you guys why porcelain pavers are going to be the best thing for your investment. What's going on, everybody? Skylar Santana, New York representative for Hardscape.com. Outdoor porcelain pavers. Our porcelain pavers are manufactured to the highest standard in the industry because we only focus on producing outdoor pavers. Now that's important because other manufacturers are using machines to make both indoor ceramic and outdoor porcelain that compromises the quality of their product, leading ultimately to underperform. This is due to improper cooking temperatures and cooking times, eliminating the benefits of porcelain pavers entirely. How could you tell? Well, a white line at the edge of the porcelain is a sure indicator that the tile is undercooked, which is not only compromising to the strength, but also the glaze, which will cause you to get the following results: shattering or chipping when making cuts, overheating in high temperatures, high slip feeling on the surface of the paver, a high absorption rate of liquid resulting in deep unremovable stains. Now, if anyone in the industry is offering you a sealer for the porcelain, it isn't in fact a quality product. Our porcelain pavers have been installed on many rooftops in Manhattan for commercial application and in residential homes, driveways, walkways, pools, patios, and there are 8 reasons why they stand the test of time. The color will not fade. Anti-slip R11 or R12 rating, non-absorbent and easy to clean, resistant to heavy loads, long-lasting and anti-frost, mildew and moss resistant, resistant to acids and chemical products including salt, and also resistant to temperature changes. Now, I wish every company was invested in making a quality product because a rising tide lifts all boats, and an outdoor porcelain paver needs the good reputation that it deserves to move forward in our industry. We have 80 dealer locations all over New York area where you can visit a display and touch and feel our quality product. And if you have any additional questions and want to request an appointment to get more information, my number is 917-227-7765, and I also welcome you guys to request a sample so you can conduct your own experiment at home. I'm ready when you are to make your next project an investment instead of a headache. Now let's take a look at the results that we have after just washing this off with water. Before this even dries, we can already see on the natural stone, even though we hit that with some water, with some high pressure, very close, there's still a darkening around it, and even before it's dry, we can see that not all of it came out, right? Whatever was superficial did kind of come off, but whatever got absorbed is still in the actual natural stone. Versus our paver with porcelain, there's nothing on the top, there's no darkening, there's no rings, there's nothing to indicate that there was oil still there, regardless of it sitting on the sun. And now let's give it some more time, let it dry in the sun, and see what that looks like. So as you guys can see on the porcelain paver, we don't have any staining at all. Everything that dried off seamlessly. And on the natural stone, we have the exact place where we put the actual oil on that still has the stain. You're gonna try to clean this. You're gonna start using chemicals on the natural stone. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna start to change the color. The colors are gonna be affected by those chemicals, which you're not gonna have any issues if you were to use chemicals on the porcelain, it being chemical resistant. But it's not necessary with just water cleaning off that area versus the natural stone. If you guys have any other questions, please contact me at 917-227-7765. I thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.